Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use discount code on Viagogo. The first thing you need to do is to open the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com and log in using your account's credentials. So once you're signed in, use the search bar on the home page here to find the event for which you want to purchase tickets. So let's say I want to go to Oasis and just click on that. Now browse through the event listings, which are here, and select the tickets you want to buy. So I'm going to click on this. Once you've selected your tickets, all right, verify the ticket details such as seating, price, total cost on the review page, which is going to be up very shortly. So how many tickets do I want? I want one, and I'm going to select continue. And it takes me here where I can now choose my seat or choose my row. So I'm going to select this section 1, and from here I'm just going to click on select. So it's okay that as you're clicking on all of this select, that you review the details properly. Ensure that you review the details properly to the very end to be sure that this is the ticket you want to buy. Alrighty, you're gonna have to confirm. So I want one seat. Okay, so I'm going to select this, select my seat, and then clicking on select. So I can just get to the final review page, and from there I have 10 minutes. Pretty cool. My price is locked. So from here, head over to the right corner and click on continue. Am I buying this as a gift? No. Is this your first time? Yes, it's my first time. And I'm just going to click on continue to head over to the next. So mobile tickets available, which is pretty fine. I'm just going to click on OK, and that takes me to the payment method. Now, for you to actually apply discounts, you just have one option, and that is a gift card. So ensure that your gift card, of course, allows for discounts. So after adding your payment method, you can just head over to gift card and click on this add button or the add link. And once you click on that, it takes you here. Click on gift card and add your gift card code. And after adding the code, or after adding the gift card number, the discount number, discount code, go ahead and click on add. And once you click on the add button, that's it. The discount will be typically applied to your amount. So after entering the code and you click on add, the discount will be applied and you will see the reducted price in total amount. So double check the total amount to ensure the discount has been successfully applied. The price should reflect the discount from the code. And if you're satisfied with the total price, proceed to enter your payment details, which could be any of these options, and that's it. And click on continue to finalize the purchase. So once the payment is processed, you receive a confirmation email with your ticket details and a summary of the discount applied. Discount codes may come with specific terms and conditions, including expiration date, restrictions on certain events or ticket types. So make sure the code is valid for the tickets you are purchasing. Viagogo may offer special promotions, so it's a good idea to check for any applicable codes before making a purchase. Also note that your code should be in your gift card and just apply whatever discounts you want through your gift card on Viagogo and you're good to go. Now go over to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.